Meditation is not just a practice, it is a way of life. It is a process that allows one to go beyond the noise of everyday existence, creating a bridge between the physical world and the deeper essence of being. If you are seeking the path to true peace, clarity, and wisdom, meditation is a powerful tool to transform the mind and soul. But how does one meditate effectively? How can one truly connect with the practice so that it leads to profound inner change? Let's explore this journey step by step, drawing on the wisdom that has been passed down through centuries, starting with the teachings of the Buddha. At the core of meditation is a simple truth: awareness. Without awareness, meditation becomes just another mental exercise, a fleeting activity that doesn't yield lasting results. The Buddha emphasized the importance of observing, of truly noticing the present moment without judgment or distraction. It's about being here, now, present in your body, thoughts, and breath. Meditation, in essence, is the art of slowing down and giving full attention to the act of being. It's not about escaping reality, but about engaging with it more deeply. To meditate effectively, you must first understand that this is not a process that can be rushed. Patience, discipline, and commitment are key. One of the first steps in meditation is finding a comfortable yet alert posture. Whether sitting cross-legged on the floor or on a chair, the body should remain stable and relaxed, yet upright. This posture symbolizes balance, not too rigid and not too lax. Think of it as setting the foundation of a house. The structure must be sound for the building to stand firm. The Buddha taught his followers the importance of posture because it directly influences the quality of the mind. If the body is uncomfortable, the mind will wander, constantly seeking relief. When the body is at ease, the mind is less likely to be distracted by physical discomfort. Find a position that feels grounded yet open to experience, and you'll be able to stay focused for longer periods. The second step of meditation is breathing. The breath is the constant thread that connects the body and the mind. The Buddha often spoke about the importance of observing the breath because it is always present, always with us. It is a perfect object of meditation, simple, natural, and grounding. To meditate effectively, focus your attention on your breathing. Feel the coolness as the air enters your nostrils, and notice the warmth as it exits. Pay attention to the rise and fall of your chest or abdomen as you inhale and exhale. This practice anchors you in the present moment, helping to settle the mind. The goal is not to control the breath, but simply to observe it. Let the breath flow naturally and observe any subtle sensations or patterns that arise. As you continue, you'll notice that the mind becomes quieter and the breath becomes smoother. The more you focus on your breathing, the more connected you will feel to the here and now. The third step in meditation is to observe the mind. The Buddha taught that the mind is like a monkey, constantly jumping from one thought to another. This constant movement is what keeps us in a state of agitation and distraction. To meditate effectively, one must learn to observe the mind without attaching to the thoughts that arise. Instead of trying to push thoughts away or control them, simply notice them, acknowledge their presence, and let them pass, like clouds drifting through the sky. Meditation is not about eliminating thoughts. It is about not getting lost in them. You do not need to act on every thought that arises. Just observe and allow it to fade away, and return your attention to your breath. The Buddha compared the mind to a calm lake. If the lake is disturbed by wind, the water becomes turbulent, and the reflection on the surface becomes distorted. But if the wind settles, the water becomes still, and the reflection becomes clear. As you meditate, you may notice feelings of discomfort, restlessness, or even frustration. This is natural. The process of meditation is not about achieving perfection. It is about observing these feelings without attachment. The Buddha's teachings emphasize equanimity, the ability to remain balanced and composed in the face of any situation. Through awareness, we can begin to see the patterns of our thoughts and emotions. We can begin to understand where our suffering originates and how we can free ourselves from it. Meditation, therefore, is not just about relaxing. It is about transformation. It is about developing insight into the nature of our minds and learning how to break free from the cycles of suffering. True meditation is not confined to a cushion or a specific time of day. The Buddha's teachings on mindfulness encourage practitioners to bring meditation into every moment of life. Whether you are walking, eating, or speaking, you can practice mindfulness by bringing full attention to the present moment. By practicing mindfulness in every activity, you begin to live in a state of constant awareness. Meditation becomes not just an isolated activity, but a way of life. When you are able to maintain awareness in every moment, you will experience less stress, less confusion, and more peace. While meditation is often associated with inner peace and clarity, it is also a gateway to developing compassion. The Buddha taught that true peace comes not only from calming the mind, but also from cultivating a loving and compassionate heart. As you meditate, allow yourself to open your heart to others. Imagine radiating warmth and kindness to those around you, family, friends, and even those you may not know well. Through compassion, meditation helps to dissolve the boundaries of the self and connects you with the greater whole of humanity. Compassionate meditation is a practice that can be incorporated into your daily life. It is about extending goodwill and kindness to all beings, including yourself. When you meditate with an open heart, you not only heal yourself, but also contribute to the healing of the world around you. Meditation is not always easy. The mind is often filled with distractions, and it may feel as though you are not making progress. But remember, the Buddha's path is one of patience and persistence. If you feel frustrated or discouraged, simply acknowledge it and continue with your practice. Like any skill, meditation takes time and consistent effort. The benefits may not be immediately visible, but with regular practice, you will start to notice changes. The mind will become quieter, the heart will become lighter, and the quality of your life will improve. Meditation provides a space where stillness can flourish. As you sit quietly, breathing in and out, you enter a sacred space of inner peace, a place where the noise of the world fades away and you can simply be. In stillness, you connect with the deepest parts of yourself. You let go of your attachments, your fears, and your desires. It is in this space of stillness that you can hear the whispers of wisdom and insight. It is in stillness that you can truly understand who you are, beyond the labels, beyond the roles you play in the world. Remember, meditation is not about escaping life. It is about experiencing life more deeply and fully. Through stillness, you begin to appreciate the present moment, finding beauty and meaning in the simplest of experiences. My final thoughts on meditation. Meditation is a lifelong journey, a journey of self-discovery, transformation, and inner peace. The teachings of the Buddha remind us that this path is not one of perfection, but one of continuous learning and growth. It is a path that requires commitment, patience, and an open heart. As you begin or continue your meditation practice, remember that the goal is not to achieve something outside of yourself, but to simply become more connected to the truth of who you are. When you meditate effectively, you will experience a deep sense of peace, clarity, and wisdom that will guide you through all aspects of life. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of meditation. If you found these insights helpful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more content on mindfulness, meditation, and self-improvement. May you find peace on your journey.